But the party is over, my friends, according to Josh. I mean, we've really gotten spoiled with this weather, really.
We have. We've gone now over 16 days of dry conditions. Unheard of in January. Yeah, well, we at least get to enjoy one more dry day. So that's tomorrow as we keep those clear skies overhead right now. A beautiful live look out over downtown Portland on this Tuesday evening. Temperatures sliding back into the mid-30s as we continue that cool temperature trend as we approach sunrise. That's where many of us will be falling back into the upper 20s as the clear conditions once again reside overhead. After today's above average temperatures, we're talking about low to mid 50s up and down the I-5 corridor, mid 50s found along the coastline. And just to put it all into perspective, Portland's average daytime high temperature for the very end of January should be right around 49 degrees. So we were a couple of degrees warmer than that as we prepare for yet again above average temperatures tomorrow and abundant sunshine, which comes as no surprise when we look at our satellite and radar. And there really isn't much to talk about with the exception of the National Weather Service issuing that cold weather advisory once again. So our feels like temperatures closer to about 25 degrees with the exception of Portland, Vancouver, the city heat trapping in just a little bit of an extra degree or two for us. But for the rest of the night, many of us falling back to about 30 degrees as we approach sunrise. Tomorrow, we get to enjoy those low 50s one more time, along with the final day of sunshine, because then we have a big weather pattern shakeup. The ridge of high pressure that has been persistent for about 2.5 weeks finally starting to break down. Now, with this new position of the high over Southern California, an incoming low pressure system, that creates the perfect avenue for an atmospheric river to push the flow of moisture from the state of Hawaii back into the Pacific Northwest. So that means heavy rains, gusty winds, all a possibility by the end of the week. Then that will be matched with this cool pocket of air diving its way in from the state of Alaska into western Oregon, southwest Washington. This could potentially be our first round of winter weather that we see later this weekend as our snow elevation levels really start to dive close to the valley floor, I should say, for Sunday and Monday, gradually warming back up by the time we get to the middle of next week. But we still have a lot of uncertainty. Our confidence is not very high right now as far as the snow coming to fruition, but we've highlighted Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday just for the potential for maybe a snowflake or two as it plans out just as followed. The clouds, they increase Thursday. The rain, it holds off until about midnight Thursday into Friday. That's where the soaking rains continue, a very strong onshore flow, heavy mountain snowfall as well as we continue to see those cold temperatures find their way back into the valley locations. The coast range picking up on some snow, but as we get our way into Monday and Tuesday, you'll notice how some of that snow starts to approach parts of the Willamette Valley again as we move into Monday and Tuesday, as our long-range weather forecast models still kind of disagreeing on where we could see cumulative snow. If anything, a lot of it just melting on contact, so very unclear over the next several days, but we'll get some clarity by the time we push our way closer to the storm system as we anticipate the snow to pile up in elevation. Great news to be seen for our skiers and snowboarders as tomorrow we get back up into the upper 40s. Plenty of sunshine to go around. That's our last batch of sunshine as our 7-day forecast shows. The clouds, they return Thursday, atmospheric river Friday, Saturday, Sunday, maybe a stray snowflake or two, but the better chance is going to be on Monday and Tuesday. Thus, those KOIN 6 weather alerts in place, which means you just need to stay weather aware. This is the first impactful winter-like weather we've talked about so far this season. So things are getting interesting very quickly.
Yeah, don't let things catch you off guard because we've had these dry, sunny days. All right, Josh, thank you. Jeff?
All right. Hey, it's the date.